In this video, we're going to show you a few options that we offer at 7th Street Wellness Club to adapt clients into strength programs if they have different types of issues with their hands, whether it's arthritis or a broken finger, wrist pain, whatever the limitation is that you experience that makes it hard for you to grasp onto an object. So in many ways, you have avoided doing strength training. We've got many options for you here. I'm going to walk you through just a couple of those ideas. We've got lots of different variations of bands, and these mini bands are often used for different types of lower body exercises, but with a bit of creativity and understanding, we can do a large range of upper body exercises. For example, we could put the bands around our wrist and we can start to move into different types of shoulder exercises. And we can explore those shoulder exercises in many different positions and ranges of motion. We can set up and simulate rowing patterns, okay? We can take that band and we can combine it with a second band for additional types of resistance. Again, just simply wrapped around my wrist, anchored to a stable object, and now I've got both resistance pulling out and resistance pulling toward me, okay? And these can be done as a one-arm option, where we never have to close our hand, or in that first example you saw as a two-handed option. We can be doing different types of strengthening for the front and chest area of our body as well. Again, simply by taking a band and anchoring it to our wrist and using a bit of creativity and like patterns that we've seen performed with other variations of exercise where we have to hold with our hands. Another option that we have are using different types of weighted wrist cuffs or ankle cuffs, okay? And so taking a tool like this, they Velcro very easily around the wrist, and now we're setting up the same type of option or similar type of option if we were to hold weights in our actual hands, but they're just attached to the wrist. And now we are set up for the same type of success we would be doing any other option, like holding a dumbbell or a kettlebell, for instance, to do rowing patterns, to do loaded hinging patterns, shoulder raises and shoulder presses. We're really limited only by our creativity and understanding of movement patterns, but we are not limited by the tools. We have lots of options to help accommodate. So again, whether it's arthritis or whether it's pain in your wrists, weak wrists, whatever limitation that you have that has kept you from getting into a resistance or strength program that you know you need, build muscle, maintain strength, increase your bone density, we have several options that we could explore here through the exercise programming at 7th Street Wellness Club.